Okay, it's a new day. This is actually how I usually start it now. I have hopefully all my crap, camera rig stuff ready. Get in the tractor. Then we're gonna grease, go over this planter quick. Gotta get seed in it, get some fertilizer in it, head to the field. Back at it, finally. This looks like everything's working nicely underneath. This has been handy. I can actually see my fertilizer boxes. I had this last year, but that was the first time. And then you can see, if there's, you can see a fertilizer plug sometimes. You can see fertilizer dribbling down, or just if a blade stops turning. It's pretty handy. Okay, just finishing up this field. Fold it up in a moment once we get right to the end. So, if you are new to this channel and kind of wondering what is going on here, so we are planting corn. And we are going to plant this corn to feed our chickens. And then Owen is going to plant soybeans so we can feed our chickens. So we're just restarting the year again. Okay, and let's get her, let's see here, wing locks. Tongues rose, we raise it. Why don't you take care of it? Don't worry, she was already warm. Yeah, we're full. Fertilizer, everything good to go. Full of seed. See if we can make some magic happen. Okay, we're literally just getting moving here. And we back up. So we're 2 inches. That's exactly what I want. Next one is 2 inches. Check all rows for seed. 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 Where's my seed here? There's my seed. Seed, 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 seed. Okay, I think we can officially plant. Unfortunately, I was gonna tape my mother bringing all me the good food, but GoPro didn't want to work. So, thanks, Mom. I'm not gonna lie to you. She pretty much makes our lunch every day, and it's lovely. Woohoo! Look at those buns. So Owen's here. There's a spot over there. We had the sweet corn, which you watched other videos. It got drowned out after I ripped it. He's gonna cultivate that. He's just driving by here because we're gonna quickly set that cultivator up because of the big tires. They're taller. Cultivators sitting like this need it level. Just drop it. See, the front's up a bit. I just go down. This is a little sweet spot. Yeah, there usually is. Oh, wait. Apparently it needs some grease. There, getting a fry later. You got lube? I knew that. I recognized it. Suck it in. So that hammer. Yeah. We want to suck it in. More lube. I try to remember to oil this thing at the end of the year. Yeah. Sucking her in, it looks like it's filling up. Yeah, that should be sucking it in. Oh no, it's not. Sorry. Good news is you can work her free. Other way. You were right the first time. That was my bad. You can see where we were. Back at it. So we are burning brush. So there used to be, so that's my cousin's property. This is my brother and myself property. There was somebody else farming that before. We are now farming it, and we decided as a family we should take out the tree line and start planting it all in one shot. So you have to get a burn permit to burn, and yeah. Just starting to go. Wes is just starting to light them up. There's 3 piles. And I don't know if we'll get that planted this year, but there is a possibility once we get these burned. We got a machine coming hopefully to kind of sexy up that area with all the sticks so it doesn't get into our equipment. But the first thing is to get her to burn, and woo, look at that fire. We'll get some more video of it on the way back. Ooh, got some BTUs there. They lit up nice. One left. Who's got the weenies? More fertilizer. Woo! It's nice. It's like almost 30 degrees. That is just beautiful. Put some in, and I just got a call from Owen. He's getting the air seeder rolling, so we're gonna get some stuff hammered out today. It is 5:47 at night. I mean, it's pulling a little bit of a late one. I think again, we'll see. I also like it when things work out. Dinner is here. We'll get seed, we'll get fertilizer, and we'll get some fuel in the belly. Full. Time to go and have a little dinner. Put our new tag in. Oh, Burger King. It's like traditional hybrid, a new hybrid. P04. 4 a.m. There we are. Want all rows. Confirm. Tap to start with that. Let's go and eat. Alright. New variety. Going straight. Putting down our rate. Everything is looking good. Got a rate going there. Cameras look good. Satisfactory. Oh, there we are. Owen is air seeding, Snapchat me. Can't get you actual footage, but that'll have to do. Life is good. Boots are off.
Home Auto Life. Exclusions and conditions apply.
I like going to roll like this. Although usually when I take the boots off, catastrophic failure is never far behind. Well, it's 10:30. Time to get back to the farm. I'm out of fertilizer, out of seed. We'll tackle this tomorrow again. You guys have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.